As someone who wears a suit maybe once a year, the act of shining leather shoes is about as foreign to me as where I am now, which is the Jermyn Street, Savile Row kind of area of London, which is home to many of Europe's finest shoemakers and tailors. But Mum always said that a man should know how to shine his leather shoes, so I decided to visit my friends at Artisan, who are garment and shoe care experts, so that you and I can become experts in the perfect shoe shine.
In shoe care, there's generally 4 stages: cleaning stage, reviving stage, repigmentation stage, and shining stage.
The reviving cream, that's like a shoe conditioner.
The Paul Brome Glass Reviving Cream is like a facial cream for your shoes. It cleans out the dirt and it moisturizes the leather so it lasts longer. The key point to note here is you want to apply a little bit of the Spitshine on the tip of the finger. You're going to apply circular motion on the toe. The reason why we focus on the toe is because it's an area of the shoe that doesn't flex. A proper Spitshine is achieved by building layers upon layers. When you apply layers on the area that flexes easily, there's a tendency to crack. After you apply one thin layer of Spitshine on one shoe, you want to jump to another one. By doing that, you're allowing the layer of the other shoe to dry. After we have applied 5 to 6 layers of Spitshine on each shoe, we're in a position to finish off. All right, and now we're all done. Do you think you know how shoe shining works now?
Yeah, I think so. It's Horsehair brush, revival cream, yak brush, wax polish, and then the water.
Yes, exactly. You want to try it on someone?
Hi, how are you? What are you doing?
That's me. Up you come, up you come. All right, here we go.
Yes.
Horsehair brush.
Yeah. So I'm quite intrigued to see what my shoes look like.
Well, I'm going to teach you all about the correct way to polish one's shoes.
Okay.
Horsehair brushed first, then you wrap the cotton around like that, and then you twist it on the back.
Yeah. It's perfect. That's good. It's good enough.
All right.
Yeah.
And now the next thing to do, I'm going to revive.
You renovate your shoe. So this is used for what? Yeah. This is used to rejuvenate the leather, or?
This product, the idea here is this helps to lift out some of the dirt and dust in there that the horsehair brush didn't get out.
Yeah.
And also it conditions it a little though.
That's amazing, yeah.
That is on there now. And then the next thing is the yak hair brush.
Yak brush.
So this helps to heat up
Wow, that's amazing.
the conditioner a bit, which helps it to spread it around the shoe.
Yes.
And also this helps to get rid of the extra bits of dust and dirt that might have come out
Yeah.
from the cleaning.
Of the cream. Yeah. Rose cream. Yeah, I see. I see.
So now that we have done that initial cleaning,
Yeah.
some people would do a cream polish base,
Which is me.
and then they'll do the wax polish.
I see.
But
Okay.
that will be here all day. So instead, we are going to get a black wax polish.
Okay.
From, this is called Spitshine.
Yeah.
Spitshine black wax polish, yes. All right. But you only do it on the toe.
And the toe. Okay. And why?
Well, that's because if you have a waxy polish on like a flex point,
Yes.
then it'll crack.
Correct. Oh, I see. Okay.
So actually, a lot of people talk about shining your shoes,
Yeah.
but it's really the toe that you shine, and sometimes the heel as well.
The heel as well. Yeah.
Okay, all right, that's a good amount of wax in the toe, I guess, is what I'm gonna say.
That looks shined already.
Okay. All right, looks good to me. And then water goes here. Okay, all right, here we go.
So you need basically just enough moisture on the cloth. Wow,
Just a little bit of moisture on the cloth.
that's incredible. Absolutely incredible.
My guru, my master, taught me
Yeah.
to just sit here polishing for hours. I can see myself in your shoes now.
I can see myself. That's incredible. Wow.
Where's my guru guy? Hello, Austin. What do you think?
This is insane.
Look at the difference.
This is absolutely amazing.
You're a master now.
That's amazing.
All right, well, you're fired, Austin.
Yeah. You stole my job.
And that's really easy. No, thank you.
Another immigrant taking your job.
Thanks a lot. Wow, this is. I mean, looking at this now, in comparison to what I first had, that sort of a matte finish, I think it's very important to have this, the concept of shine. Obviously, I'm dressed quite casually. If I'm wearing a suit in the future, I know exactly what to do. So,
and it's not just better looking; it's also more durable now as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
Against your wear and tear.
It's likely waterproof this way, I'm sure. Yeah, that's brilliant. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yeah.